Hey guys, check out this bubble machine I got from my daughter. She's had so much fun playing with this thing over the last few days, so I just wanted to show it to you and tell you everything about it. It comes with just about everything you need except for batteries, but it's really easy. So pretty much all you need to do when you get it is there's this little screw on the back for the battery cover. Just pop that off with the little Phillips screwdriver and pop in 4 AA batteries and then put that cover back on. And then it has this little screw and tank at the bottom. So you just take your hand and reach and unscrew that little tank in there, and then you fill it up with the bubble packs that they provide. They come with, I think it was 9 or 10, I think it was 9 packs of bubble solution. To fill this tank up, you need 6 of them. It filled it slightly over above the line that they have on there as the max mark. So I just dumped 6 full packs inside of there, slid it back in and screwed it in place. And then you go ahead and hit the power button on the back of it here. And it takes about, I think it took about 20 seconds trying to cycle the air through, and then all of a sudden just a ton of bubbles started blowing out of this thing. So, and it's really cool because you just get so many bubbles and you're able to rotate and pivot this top head and angle the bubbles and blow them wherever you want to. And it also has a really cool handle on top of it. So I got my daughter out playing with it and she got to pop some bubbles. I popped some bubbles with her and just had a really good time. So anybody with kids that loves to play with bubbles, which I think is most kids, definitely check this thing out. Again, it was just really fun and had a really good time with it.